Hello, Dr. Young. Dr. Shima. I'm here to show you about the stuff for HAARP that we've recently been developing. We're using our new ionosphere particle thing to bring a change in the climate above the Gulf of Mexico to hopefully avert some hurricanes. Let's see if this thing will work.
Let's test it out then.
Seems like we're getting, the hurricanes are joining each other. They're becoming one massive one.
That's not supposed to happen.
Hello? Yes, sir. I understand. All right, thank you. Looks like our machine just caused one of the biggest hurricanes in the history of the world.
20 feet above the levee. A levee's obviously there to keep the water back. I mean, that's like a tidal wave.
Yes, sir. It's a levee of about 11 feet. And then when the storm pushed in, a 20-foot tidal surge breached that levee and brought all that water in.